While roof overhangs protect walls from direct rain, gutters protect both walls and foundations from roof water runoff. Gutters, downspouts, and leaders form a building's primary drainage system, and they're only as good as their weakest component. Effective roof drainage requires 3 equally important components. Let's go over them. Properly sized gutters that slope toward adequately sized downspouts, downspouts that deliver water to the grade, and leaders or diverters that move that water far away from the foundation. You miss any component and the system fails. Most guttering problems stem from installation and maintenance issues. During your inspections, check if materials are properly sized, if guttering slopes appropriately towards downspouts, and if discharge directs water away from the building perimeter. Avoid discharging water at inside building corners where it can cause concentrated water problems or foundation problems. Proper steep slope roof drainage design requires 2 steps. First, you got to determine the design rainfall intensity in your area, typically based on a 10-year return period, though this varies by region. Second, you calculate roof drainage system spacing and layout based on your selected gutter size and the rainfall intensity from the step 1. Here's how it works. With 7 inches per hour design rainfall, a 5-inch K-style gutter can handle about 600 square feet of horizontal roof area. But on a 612 slope, that drops to about 500 square feet due to the slope factor. If your actual roof area is 644 square feet, you need 2 downspouts, always round up, never round down. Leaders must direct downspout discharge at least 2 feet from the building perimeter using a splash block or underground drainage pipes. In poor soil conditions like expansive clays, increase this distance. Remember that water at grade is just as dangerous as the water on the roof if it's not properly managed. During home inspections, you want to verify the gutters slope toward downspouts and the downspouts serve no more than 50 feet of gutter length. It's a good rule of thumb. And downspouts, well, they're sized appropriately. It's not too small. And look for signs of overflow, foundation settlement, cracking, water damage that could indicate inadequate drainage capacity or poor discharge management. Building codes lack standardized design criteria for guttering. Practical experience and judgment become important. Some local stormwater codes may require special infiltration or filtration treatments of roof runoff, adding complexity to the discharge planning.